Rachel this side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine, reporting from IREE India 2025. And today I have Michael with me from Stäubli. Hi, sir.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay.
Can you brief me about your company and how you started?
Yeah. So Stäubli is a Swiss company based in, headquartered in Switzerland. We have 4 divisions, and here on this show here we have 2 divisions represented. So the first one is fluid connectors, and the other one is electrical connectors.
That's great.
Right.
So what are the products you're highlighting at this event?
Yeah, we have for the fluid part, we have mostly the couplers, so fluid couplers for oil, gas, cooling mostly, and also we have some multi-coupling solutions where we mix both fluid and electrical connectors.
Right.
And on the electrical parts, we have mostly high-power connectors. So these connectors go mostly in the traction chain of electrical train sets, like locomotives or EMUs or metro sets.
That's great. So are you dealing with international markets as well?
Yes, of course. I mean, our company is global oriented. We have, of course, different production units. We have different subsidiaries, so business units in all of our countries in the world, and we deal from Switzerland and France, from Germany, from France, to different countries in Europe, but also in North America, South America, but also mostly more and more in Asia. And India is one of our big potential that we want to develop and to push more and more in the future.
That's great. That's really nice. So do you have like any new innovation this year?
Yeah, on that side here we have what we call this multi-coupling plates, where we want to push more and more this mix energy, where we mix both electrical and fluid solutions. So this is a very highlights that we show here in front of this booth.
That's
and
great.
that's something that is really innovative and important for us and for the market.
Really nice. That's really nice. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing your time with us. Thank you so much.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. Thank
That's
you.
Great.